Hello, John Talley here with Partzilla.com. I just changed out the tube on this rim and tire that came off our 1967 Honda CT90. Now, if you're in the middle of a restoration project and you've got an older rim like this or any older metal that you're trying to get the most out of, you need to see what this little product called Simichrome can do to straighten it out and make it look a whole lot better. So let me go grab a couple of rags so I can show you firsthand just how good this product is at cleaning and polishing metals. Now, I discovered this product a couple of decades ago, it feels like. In the marine application world, we have a couple of different boats and they have a stainless steel guardrail. And it was starting to look corroded, salt was getting to it, it hadn't been protected. And this stuff did an amazing job of bringing it back, removing the rust and the deposits, and then putting a protective shield on it. And you can actually use it on just about every single metal out there, and that's including stainless, aluminum, magnesium, anything that doesn't already have like a clear coat on it. This stuff does an amazing job of cleaning it up, polishing it, and then sealing it back up. And we're just going to concentrate on this one little area right here on the rim so I can show you how well it works, and then I'll complete it. Now, is this labor intensive? Yes, but with an older rim like this, well, they don't exist anymore, and plus they're kind of pricey. So it's definitely worth your time to at least give this stuff a shot at straightening out an older piece like this. Now, if it's rusted to the point all of the chrome is gone, well, there's no getting around that. But even if it is slightly pitted, this does a great job of cleaning that up, filling in those gaps, and at least making it presentable. So let's put a little bit on this rag and see what it can do. Now, when you're doing this, you want to keep it off of the tire, and if you're a little bit sloppy, you may want to tape this off with duct tape or something along those lines. And all we're going to do is just work in the direction of the rim, back and forth. And it's going to turn your cloth black when you're doing this, but that's what you want. It's actually removing that oxidation and the corrosion. That's what's coming off of this rim. Now, go to a clean section. It works well on any uncoated non-ferrous metals. It works on chrome, silver, brass, copper, pewter, aluminum, magnesium, stainless steel, heck, even plexiglass. All right, just to get a apples to apples look, I'm going to take a clean part of the cloth and just wipe off a section next to it. Then I want you to look at the difference in between what we just did in a few seconds and what we started with over here. I don't know about you, but that's kind of amazing. All right, guys, this was just a really quick video where I wanted to introduce you to this product. This is definitely one that you want to keep in the toolbox because it can save you a lot of money straightening out pieces of metal that you thought you were going to have to throw away. Well, listen, if you need this or any other parts or tools for your machine, why don't you come see us at Partzilla.com and we can get you taken care of. And hey, you like what you see? Hit that subscribe button. That way you'll be notified with whatever I'm working on next. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below and I'll do my best to answer them. We just want to say thank you for shopping here with us at Partzilla, and we will see you in the next video. Y'all have a great day.